So now we look at social control theory. Social control theory argues that values, norms, beliefs, and relationships can help in reducing criminal behavior. People will not commit crime if they think that it will affect those people who are important to them. If moral codes of the society are internalized and individuals value rejection by the society, rejection by their family, rejection by their friends, then it will be difficult for them to commit crime. Crime is the absence of social control, and social control is these relationships, these norms, these commitments to others. Hershey has given his own theory about social control, and it has 4 control mechanisms. Includes family, friends, community. Those who don't have family and friends are more likely to commit crimes. This has been universally accepted. Even if you look at the various history of various terrorists, you will see that they don't have stable family relationships. Commitment to future is also important. So commitment includes career, success, personal goals. So it is argued that a person who has nothing to lose, of course, he will have no compunction in committing crime. Beliefs, good beliefs in honesty, in morality, in fairness will help reduce crime and will help people not commit crime, because these beliefs will stop them internally without any external sanction, without the fear of law or without the fear of jail or imprisonment. They will not commit crime. And lastly, involvement. So if a person is involved in many activities at his schools, at his workplace, at his religious groups, the more a person is involved, the less he or she is liable to commit crime. So this theory argues that attachments, commitments, beliefs, and involvements lead to more conforming behavior, meaning thereby a behavior which is socially accepted or socially promoted. So let's talk about this theory and Pakistan. So in Pakistani society, family has a big load, and family, according to this theory, is related to attachments. So family is very powerful because family sacrifices a lot for the person. Culture also promotes family. Religion also promotes family. There are many sayings of Quran and Ahadith which are related to the role of the responsibility toward mother, father, close relatives. It is argued that the sexual boundaries that are set in Islam are based to preserve family. Family is such an important institution in Islam that the other laws are influenced by to protect the family. Friends are also important, significant influence. In most cultures, friends are important. In cultures like in Western cultures, where family is gradually losing its power on the individual, friends are becoming more powerful. Friends are the family which a person chooses itself. And those people who do not have families and friends are considered deficient. Here, everywhere, in Pakistan, in India, in China, in the US. So everywhere, a person who is alone, who does not have any friends and family, is considered deficient. So even those childless couples, for example, are considered are to be pitied because they cannot add to the family by having children. People who do not marry are considered deficient or abnormal because they do not accept that they should be a part of the family or start a new family, new nuclear family. So all these things tell us that friends and family as attachments are important. In the next module, we will talk about the influence of religion on Pakistani society and its effect on social control.